Halo guys lur, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa kembali lagi dengan saya ya guys lur di channel Ngabdi Tutorial. Oke lah guys lur, di kesempatan kali ini kita bakalan membuat kunci tel ya. Jadi kunci tel itu adalah gabungan kunci L dan kunci T. Tapi di kesempatan kali ini medianya sudah kunci T ya guys lur. Nah di pojok-pojok sini kan biar lebih multifungsi, jadi kita bikin kunci L yang nanti bisa untuk digunakan membuka yang model baut L. Seperti apa caranya? Cukup menggunakan gerinda seperti ini ya guys lur, dengan mata gerinda asah. Oke, langsung saja kita bentuk kunci telnya atau kunci L nya, kunci T plus L.
I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored again?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing, I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me, is it me, am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings, you don't ever wanna set me free.